Hey, recently we did a video called Bongo Bowl, which I really enjoyed a lot. But if you're really looking at the very end of the piece, I said I was putting on oil onto the bowl, and in the background you can see this can right here, Wipe On Poly. So I had a brain fart. But I thought this gave us an interesting opportunity here because, let me reverse this. This is Wipe On Poly. And then over here we have Danish oil. So I wanted you to see the difference in the two finishes. Now it's subtle, but if you look at this one, this is a satin, but you can see there's a bit of a shine to it, right? Okay, so I've got to polish this out a little bit more, buff it out. But over here on the Danish oil, it's very soft and just looks like wood. So that's the difference between the two finishes. They always say that shiny sells, but I always like the oil to put in my home. So it's up to you what you want to do, but I just thought you'd like to see the difference between the two finishes.